how to buy and sell on Dexscreener. If you're into crypto and trading, you probably heard of Dexscreener, one of the most popular platforms for tracking and trading tokens on decentralized exchanges. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to buy and sell tokens in Dexscreener. Now, first things first, let's set up Dexscreener. Here's what you'll need: a wallet. You'll need compatible crypto wallets such as MetaMask, Phantom, or any wallet that works with decentralized exchanges. Make sure you have some funds in your wallet. You can also use tokens like ETH, SOL, or other supported coins on the blockchain of your choice. Now let's start with the buying process. First, head over to the Dexscreener website. You'll see a easy to navigate interface with various tokens and charts. To start trading, you need to connect your wallet to Dexscreener. Simply click on Connect Wallet button at the top right. Here you'll find the option to sign in. Simply sign in. You can sign in with your account. After that, you can connect your wallet. Now select your wallet from the list, approve the connection, and your wallet should be connected to Dexscreener. Search for the token you want to purchase using the search bar. Simply type it in and select the correct pair. Once you select the token, you'll see a trading chart, live data, and available trading pairs. Choose the exchange you want to trade on, such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, or a Dex on the Solana blockchain. Once everything is set up, you'll need to enter the amount of token you want to buy and confirm the transaction. You'll see the current price, slippage tolerance, and fees before finalizing the order. Hit swap or buy on your wallet will ask you to confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the token will be added to your wallet. And that's it. Now you know how to buy tokens on Dex. Now to sell, just like buying, you need to select the token you want to sell. Head back to the Dexscreener interface and find the token you want to sell in your wallet. Choose the trading pair depending on what you want to trade it for, and enter the amount of token you want to sell. Make sure you check the price and slippage tolerance before confirming. Once you're ready, hit swap or sell, approve the transaction in your wallet. Once confirmed, the funds from your sale will be sent to your wallet and you've successfully sold your tokens.